Hey everyone, Jerry here again over at ETTS range, getting some rifle sighted in with my crew. I don't know if you can see some of the guys in the background there. I'm gonna post some videos, some pictures. We're gonna do some long gun shooting, precision long gun shooting today. So we're getting some things sighted in up close, and then we're gonna take it out to about, try to go at least 1,200, but more than likely 500 or 600. So have a good one, guys.
You sighted in yet?
No, that's what I'm kind of looking at right now, just to see. It was my dad's. I've never shot it, and I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Rex is better.
Oh, at what? Oh, really?
Target?
Well, that doesn't matter.
No.
I mean, it matters, but it doesn't.
Other than the one that your wife.
He probably heard, but he.
I don't know. He didn't pivot that barrel this way, so.
Or the head.
Because you were at Octagon for a while, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A couple years. But I got a back hurt. I got hurt my back,
but
so I was
high.
out for about a year and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just now
Exactly perfect, but high.
How high?
over there. Man,
Like
you were gonna ask me that,
within
weren't
an
you?
inch?
What's his name?
Gosh, give my leg space.
All right, send it when ready.